left you guys off. I trying to learn this new camera here. Sorry. Left you guys off, and you know, we did all of that work right there. Well, I left from work after doing that, and well, I still had a rag joint in there, and well, that was causing little ears on the rag joint. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe if I could just get the camera in there a little bit better. But there's this alternator bolt here. Where is it at? Where is it? Where is it? I'm trying to do this by feel and show it on the camera here. But anyway, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. Am I getting it? So anyway, there's a bolt right in here. I'm not sure you guys can see it on the camera, but the rag joint was hitting the bolt, locking up my steering and whatnot, so I had to take the rag joint out. But then I noticed some fluid on leaf spring and dripping down, and I followed it up. Don't think you can see it on the camera, but my master cylinder is leaking between the master and the booster, so I'm gonna have to replace that soon. Got a few other things. Still not much snow around here yet, so be okay. Let's see if we can get some stuff done. So evidently I'll have more to fix before the snow really gets here. Luckily it's not here yet. I think there's still some up in the mountains, but not a lot yet. So also, I'm trying out a new camera, so if things look different and look weird, that's probably why. I am noticing some glitching between the editing from this, it's a GoPro 7, and the Chromebook that I have. So I gotta figure that out. I don't think the GoPro likes the Chromebook or vice versa, so might have to do something there. But until then, we figure out again. This was just a little short video for the holiday weekend, so hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you on the next one till we figure it out again.